everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna do a video about changes that have been made with the recent update release for Fitbit Versa and Ionic, which is the firmware 3.0. So guys, if you have updated already, this video will let you know what things have changed and what's new, and if you haven't updated, this will give you an insight to make sure that you update. So let's get started. If you guys are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do a lot of videos about Fitbit Versa and various technological reviews. If you are here because of Fitbit Versa, make sure you check out our playlist where we have 31 plus videos all about Fitbit Versa, and I'm pretty sure you will learn a lot about your Fitbit Versa. Now recently, just a couple of days ago, I did a video which was Fitbit Versa firmware update 3.0, and that was a step-by-step guide how to update the firmware and tips to avoid any issues. So if you haven't done it, make sure you watch this video because it is gonna help you to guide you through the process of updating. And guys, in couple of hours, Boxing Day is starting soon, so if you are into purchasing stuff for Fitbit Versa or accessories from Amazon, make sure you try the Amazon Prime, which is for free for 30 days, no upfront payment required. The good part about Amazon Prime is you get early access to Boxing Day deals, and you get 2 days no charge fast shipping. So now is a good time to give it a try to Amazon Prime. You can find the link to try Amazon Prime for free in the description of any of our videos. So you go down in the description and you will find the try Amazon Prime for free. You click here, sign up, and without any money you'll be able to enjoy Prime for 30 days. And since it's Boxing Day, it's gonna be kind of good. And also check out the Boxing Day deals I have linked in the description down below. So now without further ado, let's get started. So guys, here I am on my watch and we'll get started with all the recent changes. If you have updated already, these are the changes which you will find in your Fitbit Versa. So this is the new firmware 32.33.1.30. With that you will get all these changes. On their website it says they have fixed a lot of bugs. So that's good. Fitbit had a lot of bugs with some apps and those will be fixed now, but there are a couple of changes in terms of user interface which I wanted to go through in today's video. So let's get started with that. Number one is the settings in exercise app. So when you go into the exercise app for Fitbit Versa, you go into the settings and you will see some changes right here than the previous version. You can actually customize the stats where you can while any exercise is being done or it's on, you can customize where the calorie will show, what will the bottom stats show, and stuff like that. And you can even change the middle stats. So that's that. And always on screen, which is kind of good. So if you're doing a short intensity or short duration high intensity exercise, then this is kind of nice. The screen is on all the time. However, this is not good for battery life, but when you're doing such kind of workout, it's gonna be kind of very helpful. So that's the change in terms of the exercise app. The second one I wanted to talk about is the Today's app, which is more customizable now. So to access the Fitbit Today's app, all you do is swipe from bottom up. Once you do that, the Today's app is gonna pop up. So some of the major changes which they have advertised on their website are in here, and those are my personal favorite too. So initially you were able to view couple of stats over here, but things have changed over here and you can actually customize that. So once you go in settings, you can select up to 7 stats to easily track on your Fitbit Versa. So in my case, I have done this core stat, hourly steps, heart rate. I have not selected exercise, sleep, which were there before. This water is new, food is new, the weight is new, and the badges are new, and I'm gonna talk about this now. So when you go in there, I'm not gonna talk about the steps and the hours and the heart rate because it was there initially anyways, but the new stuff is the water. So you can actually, you don't have to go onto your phone to add water intake throughout the day. You can do it right from here. So you hit that, and I had probably 92, and I'll just tick, and it's gonna add, and it's also gonna log time, what time it was added. So that's another neat thing. You don't have to go onto the phone for that. Calories, it's also new. You can input the calorie. You can't input from here. You can input from your phone, but you can view it from here. Weight, again, you can add, but you can't decrease. So let's say 1, and I hit add. So 1 kg logged in. And this is the next one, which is the badges, which were initially being only viewable on the phone, but now you can kind of watch it on your phone, on your watch as well. So these are the badges, lifetime kilometer badge, which I have earned. You might have earned more, so you can see it right onto your watch now. So that's in terms of the today's app for Fitbit Versa. The next important change they have done, which is my personal favorite, is screen can be turned on for 60 seconds. So once you go in setting, you will see this option, display awake. It cautions you that increasing this time will impact the battery life. So for me right now is 60 seconds, so you can customize it to 10 seconds and go up to 60 seconds. Now for me personally, 60 seconds is awesome because I do Fitbit Versa videos and I want the screen to be turned on all the time while I'm recording the video. So that's a very good feature for many of you. So actually now you can keep it on for 60 seconds. That's basically a whole minute. The next one is the Stopwatch app can now stay open while in use. So initially the Stopwatch app, once you start the stopwatch, after a couple of seconds the screen used to turn off. So then again you have to wake up the screen to access the stopwatch, which was a bit of annoying, but they have fixed it now. So now once you start it, it's gonna stay on until you pause or actually exit the app. So that's a cool feature for sprinters or running and stuff like that, timing out anything. So this is a very neat feature. However, just a caution, it does impact your battery life if you use it quite often, because the screen is on and it's gonna use battery life a lot. So that's about the stopwatch. The next one is also one of the good one, which is notification wakes up the screen. Now I can't show you on the watch right now because you have to receive a notification for that. So as soon as you receive a notification, initially what happened is your watch just vibrates but the screen doesn't wake up. But now every time you receive a notification, the screen is gonna wake up for a couple of seconds and then it's gonna go down. It is also gonna vibrate your phone as well. So that's another neat feature. Every time you get notification, your screen will wake up. It will impact the battery life somehow, but for me, I really like this feature. Comment in the section down below if you like or dislike this feature. The next one is another one, which is an option to open the app on your phone from the notification. So every time you receive any notification, like for example a Pinterest notification, you get this new option right here which says open. So once you click this, what's gonna happen is, I'm not gonna do it now because I'm recording the video from my phone, but once you click this, it is actually gonna open this particular app, which is Pinterest, onto my phone. So that's another neat feature. Same thing with all the apps. I noticed that this open feature is now available in all the apps, so you can actually open the notification onto your phone right away. So that's a pretty good one. So that's about it in terms of all the new features which I have found with the new firmware upgrade of Fitbit Versa. If I have missed any, or by chance you discovered something new, please leave me a comment down below about that feature, and that is gonna help some of the other viewers as well. One last thing, these are for Android devices. I use an Android device. Things may be a bit different if you're using an iOS device, so also comment in the section down below if you are using iOS device and you have seen all this new updates as well. If you haven't, please comment down below, so that way all the other iOS users will know by watching this video. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Please give a thumbs up to this video and share it as much as you can, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a good one.